To differentiate this, we will make use of the chain rule. So it is going to be e to the power of sine half x, and we are supposed to differentiate sine half x, and that is cosine half x multiplied by half. So what we have now is a half e to the power of sine half x cosine half x. When the first part of a question is a simple differentiation, following that it is an integration, from my experience, I think most likely this integration is going to involve integration by parts. But according to how we have discussed in our topic outline, the first thing that we should do is we should consider standard form and f(x) f prime x. Standard form is definitely not going to work here. f(x) f prime x is also not going to work here, so I'm going to try by parts. And if I were to make use of the first part of the question, hence, with this differentiation, that means it is possible to let this be u, because I will immediately know what is du dv. You can give that a try. I don't think it is going to be that easy for you to integrate this if you were to let this be u. So if I were to still want to make use of the first part of the question, what we can do is to let this be dv dx, and we will know that v is equal to e to the power of sine half x. And to have this here, it is actually pretty simple, because I can use trigo identity to change sine x to all the half x. So this is e to the power of sine half x. Using trigo identity, this is 2 sine half x cosine half x dx. And what I need is a half e to the power of sine half x cosine half x. We have this e to the power of sine half x cosine half x, and we need a half, and so I'm going to factorize out 4, and that will give me a sine half x, this, and then a half e to the power of sine half x cosine half x. And for what we have here, I'm going to let u be equal to this sine half x, and I'll let dv dx be equal to this, which is half e to the power of sine half x cosine half x. So du dx is going to be equal to half cosine half x, and v, using first part of the question, is just e to the power of sine half x. So what we have now is a 4 of uv, so e to the power of sine half x minus integration of v du dx, which is half e to the power of sine half x cosine half x dx. And to integrate this, we can actually make use of this one more time. So this is just 4 multiplied by e to the power of sine half x minus integration of this is e to the power of sine half x, then plus c. Let me bring the 4 in. This is 4e to the power of sine half x minus 4e to the power of sine half x plus c.